Today is the last day that I am preserving our potato harvest. So come on along, let's see what I'm gonna do with them. Here it is, our last tray of potatoes. Although I say that, and I came across these two in the garden when I was robbing some dirt out of the garden for a pot. I boiled the potatoes and cooked them until they were slightly tender. And I did cook them whole, and I had already washed them, and then I ran them through the colander and then kept changing the water, so I have them soaking in cold water right now. And then what I'm going to do is use this contraption with my handy dandy knuckle saver, and I'm going to shred the potatoes. All right, let me show you what we've got. So there's the consistency of shredded potatoes. I'm gonna put a thin layer and spread it out. And I'm gonna keep on doing this, and I'll bring you back when I've got all the trays done. In the meanwhile, the freeze dryer is already started and ready to go. There are my 4 trays of shredded potatoes, and you know, when I got down to a little piece like that, I just threw it on the tray. But you can see that it got rid of most of the skin, and they were red potatoes, so I'm not worried if there's skin in there to begin with. And so I'm going to get these in the freeze dryer and bring you back when it's done tomorrow. It's the next day, and it is about 7.5 hours later. I started these late yesterday, and they were actually, you can hear the machine beeping at me. They were actually beeping at me to say they were done early this morning, but I automatically selected more dry time. So what I'm going to do is open the valve and see if we need more dry time. If not, I'm going to defrost the machine. But I think they're, oh yeah. You hear them? So let me get the trays out, double check that they're ready, and we'll get them all packaged up. So this is what they look like. You can see they're nice and dry. Helps if I put my funnel in there. One quick tip I've noticed, while this is sealing, I noticed with the regular mouth jars, they seem to be a bit of a pain sometimes on the back sealer. I just hold it on there, and it makes it a lot easier and makes things move along. And we'll test the seal. We're a sealed jar. Well, there you have it. There's our shredded potatoes that are freeze dried, and we also did sliced, diced, and mashed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Take care.